Stop scrolling and start packing. Ditch the city noise. Whistler's calling. I'll tell you what to do first. Hi, I'm Alex Carter. Rapid fire countdown. 20 to 1. Do these when you hit Whistler. 20. Grab a coffee in the village. 19. Walk the valley trail. 18. Ride the peak. 2 peak. Gondola. 17. Snap photos at Olympic Plaza. 16. Zipline through the trees. 15. Après Ski at GLC. 14. Try local craft beers. 13. Hike to Lost Lake. 12. Mountain bike the bike park. 11. Explore the village shops. 10. Take a scenic flight over the coast mountains. 9. Soak at Scandinave Spa. 8. Eat at a Mountainside Patio. 7. Go Heli-Skiing. 6. Or watch the pros. 5. Sunrise at Whistler Mountain. 4. Whale watching day trip from nearby ports. 3. Learn to ski or snowboard with a lesson. 2. Dine at a top-rated restaurant. 1. Breathe it all in. That Whistler feeling. There you go. 20 fast hits to make your Whistler trip unforgettable. Which one are you doing first? I'm Alex Carter. See you on the mountain.